So I got back from church and this was waiting on my desk. I think I got it yesterday. My Norwex box. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot going on in here. I don't know what anything is. I'm going to be figuring it out this week. But I have a party this Friday, so I'm sure this goes on the mop. It feels very soft. It's a beautiful color. This, I believe, goes on the mop as well. These colors are gorgeous. It has a different texture, so I'm not sure what's going on there. I'll figure it out. Okay, lots of catalogs. We're going to be needing those. I have a Norwex bag. Oh, it's got a zipper. It's just not a tote. Got a little extra into it. Anything inside? No, but it does have a smaller zipper on the inside. That's convenient. Okay. We have something wrapped in paper. What is it? Oh, it's a folder. Full envelope. Okay, looks like business supplies. We've got postcards. Time to party. Okay, party invitation postcards for those that still mail out. What is this? Another type of postcard. No, not a postcard. These are oh, okay, cheat sheets for all the products. That's convenient. You know, you can take this to Home Depot and then have them spiral this like a little notebook. I've done that before. These are cute. What is this? These are Safe Haven 5-set. Oh, look at that. All right, it's a little pamphlet with your Safe Haven 5 info on there. That's gonna come in handy. You can pass those out, not even at the party, just when you're out and about. And history on Norwex. It's good to know what you're representing, what you're signing up for. Old school invoices, you know, for those customers that have not made the transfer in technology, like myself. This is, okay, so host a party, count your stars. Norwex offers home house, so we book a party, reach out. Oh, this is going to be good. This is good information if you want to sign your friend up and you have everything at your fingertips, all her questions, incentives, rewards. And we also have, what are these cute little booklets? Oh, these are nice. Products and purpose coming. Okay, it's talking about chemical free, about their products. If you want to sign up, these are, I'm going to read this one really good. This is something that is, look, you can even mail it out. This is some really good recruiting tools. They set you all up here in your little business and your little spring catalog. These colors are just gorgeous. Look at that for spring, which spring started yesterday. And look at that. And so you know what that means, spring cleaning. My favorite. You know, there's people that are cleaning people, and then there's people that have people clean for them. I'm a little bit of both, but I really enjoy cleaning my house myself. Okay, so earn your starter kit for free when you reach $1,000 in personal retail sales in 30 days. So I'm going to do that. I got my starter kit, and I did the other kit as well. I'm not sure what it's called. I did the one level up because I want to try everything. And I use everything. Listen, you're going to buy detergent, you're going to buy mops, you're going to buy all that. Might as well get points for it, get free stuff. You're going to go to the store and buy it anyway next month. You know you are. And, oh, this is nice. New Consultant Guide. 5 easy steps to getting started. They can't make it easier than that. That is great. And then I have the whole entire mop system. The window cloth, I just got new windows in my entire house. There's a million windows. And now that the inspector came, took all the stickers off, everything's good. This is next. Microfiber. When they punched out my windows, the dust here, you will not believe how dusty this place is. Look at this. I don't know if you could see this. It's dusty here. This is going to take care of that. Oh, a mitt. Even better. The dusting mitt. I should have gotten 2. Double time. Don't work harder. Work smarter. I heard about this paste. My daughter was telling me about it. And because I use those erasers, those little white erasers that work wonders. But they have formaldehyde. I did not know that. Information is power. It smells good. I didn't think, I wasn't expecting it to smell like anything. Okay, this is a new addition I've heard where you, once you sweep with your mop and these here, you just right into the trash can. I'm sure it's good for many other uses. Okay, body and face pack. Okay, I'm very interested in this one. One of the reasons I signed up is because I don't know if you could tell, but I get red around. I don't know if it's, I use all natural products. I'm using L'Occitane right now, but I'm going to try their facial products. I'm going to be using their EnviroCloths, and I'm going to see if it's just my face reacting to something. You know, once you hit 50, stuff happens. Okay, and how to take care of all of these products. Here you go. And I've got the mop in here. And you know what I'm going to get? I have huge glass doors for my restroom. And I know you can get a squeegee to add to your mop collection. I'm definitely going to get that. And here it is. Look at these colors. Can't get over the colors. Look at that. Is that cute or what? And then so adjustable. That's wonderful. This feels like, you know, you turn it around and you rub it on the floor. If you have some kind of mark on the floor, you can rub it with that. So that is my welcome to Norwex. Look how beautiful this box is. Welcome to Norwex. I'm excited. I also received this box. Okay, this one's a lot heavier, so I'm just going to turn the camera because there's no way I can lift this thing. Let me adjust this. Will it stay? I hope it stays. And this one now is empty, so that's easy enough. Look at this thing. This is super heavy. I'm not sure. I think, oh wow. It's like Christmas over here. Again, I would have bought, oh wow, you're just looking at my lamp. My light. Let me do this better. I don't know if this is going to be any better. I think so. This is everything that you buy anyway, you know? You get your detergent, you go to the store and get all these products anyway. Might as well get something that's good for the environment, you know? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, wow, look at all this, guys. It's just a new way of cleaning. And I was talking to my daughters who are both Norwex consultants. Let me see if I can concentrate here because I think I just got something that I didn't know I had. It came with it. Illuminating oil. Huh. Gently massage 5 drops Okay. Face and neck. Definitely gonna try that. So, you know, once you get set in your ways and, you know, growing up, I've been cleaning the same way, using the same products for 40 years, 40 plus years. Don't want to say my age, but here we go. And it's hard to start something new. It's hard to get out of your zone and things that you're used to. But, you know, a sign of old age is that you just don't change or you don't want to. But we can try something new. We can take this journey together, try new products. Look how cute this is. I mean, and then it's beautiful. These colors, it makes it fun again. And then you're excited about cleaning the house again because that got old, right? Look at that. Look at these colors. Wow. Now, I don't know exactly, I just signed up. I don't know exactly what everything does, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to experiment with it. Look at that. That feels good. I mean, my daughter has told me all about it. And both my daughters are very health conscious. My daughter, we make fun of her. One of my daughters, we tell her she churns her own butter. She makes her own toothpaste, deodorant, and she's out there. But so this is right up her alley. I'm not all the way there, but I do like to clean. Look at these. Makeup removal cloth. Okay, see? Look at these colors. How beautiful is that? Look at that. That's so pretty. And this one feels rough on this side. I'm not sure what this is for, but they say everything, fruits and vegetables. This is great right here. This is great. It has instructions on the actual product right on there. More catalogs, which I'm sure I will be passing out. This is a stainless steel cloth with back lock. Okay, so this back lock thing, and you only use water, it's going to be a new thing. It's going to be something new. I'm just going to try it. I'm just going to try it. And it works for my daughter's dishcloth. I like this rough side. You know, when you don't wash the dishes the night before and then you've got problems in the morning. That's going to come in handy for that. These are body and face. How perfect, because the theme of my bathroom is gray and white. This is going to go just perfect with that. This is, a facial mitt. Very soft on this, a little rough on that. I don't know if I'll use that maybe here, but this, my face, and facial pads. What's this? These are so cute. Look at the cute little zipper. Oh no. Eye makeup removers with just water. Soft side and an even softer side. These are so cute. Idea for Norwex. Nice if you could just put your finger in. That way you could put your fingers in and go. That would be nice. Just an idea. Another mitt. Oh, is this another dusting mitt? Oh no, it's a body for your body. Soft, rough. I like it. To wash my body. It's hilarious. What is this? Scrub. Oh, for my body. Didn't I just get a scrubber for my body? This one and this one. Oh, they're different. Wow. Okay. How fun is this? A scrubber sponge. Oh, I heard a lot of good things about these guys. A lot of good things. You know that black stuff that gets on your cooktop? This is supposed to be able to, we're going to try that. Dryer balls. We're not supposed to be using Downy anymore, or I'm not supposed to say Downy, but fabric softener. It's not good for your body, and use these instead. Fun. Save you money in the long run. And this is the wand. For my ceiling fans. Look at this. And I love the way they wrap everything, and everything is environment conscious. I was not environmentally conscious. Somewhat. I mean, I recycle, but I wasn't like really into it, but now I am. Look at this. How cute. This is like my daughter says, this is to pick up the big dust bunnies, and this is the fine dust, the one that's right here on my dresser. And then, of course, it comes with all the adjustments for the bottles. I will try everything out, all of this. I'm gonna try it out, make another video, give you updates. I'm excited. Look at all this. I'm excited, all of this. And I'll keep you posted on my journey. Till then, happy spring cleaning.